Well, now we are in the practical part. The practical part is to check actually the toilet. You check the toilet, you see how are the measurements, you measure everything, you make a video of everything if you are going to the hardware store, because these people in the hardware store really want you to be very precise, and this will also save you so much time. For example, this is a piece that I have to go and buy twice. I didn't have to buy twice because they allow me to change it, but there was 6 millimeters of difference in the diameter, and this makes the toilet not fit. So, advice: measure everything, make video, and then go to the hardware store. Now, what is going on here? This is the connection to the discharge. So this has a gum which is going to be fit there. There is the part of the toilet where all the water will come out. And here you have to work with lubricant. So here you put lubricant, and then you put this one just like that, and it will be held by the lubricant. And one thing is now not only this connection, but the other side, right? So here we go. We have to make sure that this is actually fitting. It's a lot fitting and seems easy, but they are so precise that you have to make sure that you're precise. So here we have a gum. Even this gum does not go in every direction the same. So even putting this little ring of gum inside the tube, which is connected to the main line of discharge of the building, it's something that you have to pay attention to, because if you put it in the other direction, it won't seal properly, so you might have a leak. So first thing first, checking which side. There are two. This part is a little bit so dirty. Okay, anyways, I just suggest you also not to clean it too much if it comes from the shop, because sometimes it comes with the right product in order to fit where you have to put it. So what I suggest you, that's something that I already did, but I think there's a one point that I don't like there. Clean that first with a vacuum cleaner, then with water, then with a little bit of alcohol. It has to be very clean, and then you put this inside this. So this system goes with pressure. There are different type of systems. This one goes with pressure. So this will go here. Now I need my other hand to do it, so I cannot do it right now. And this is the water entry, which is already clean. Already the gum is there, so I don't have to do much more here. And now I have to fix this. I have to do a dry fit like that. So you make sure that this is actually going inside. And now let me try to do it with one hand. Maybe I succeed. It's very difficult. I need to find a technique to film the video. Okay, there, let me see. Great, there is in place. So now comes, you see, when you put this down, it's already not so easy to put it, because we have to make pressure, but what's the point is that this goes well, and this is perfect. This is what I want to know. So now I remove it, and I fit it dry, so it can go. And I have to measure. So I know that this has a curve, so I don't want to put it like exactly on the top, on the yes, at the end of the line, because this is like that. So if I put it here, I will be reducing. Oh my goodness, this is so dirty. My new floors. Wait, I have to do this. Even there. So I don't want to make it all the way, because this is going to reduce the water flow if I put it too much to it. So I put it just like that, 2-3 centimeters, that's enough. And I will seal this just here with a little bit of PVC glue, but not really a lot, just a bit, so it's fit. Now what I have to do with two hands is to measure everything, make sure that this has the proper, when I put it here and I put it in my toilet inside, that this fit and goes is actually here, so I have to do all these measures now.